Good day everyone, my name is Kinliwad Ignato and I am major in electrical technology. Today I will be introducing the subject of DC motor and DC generator, which are important electrical machines that convert electrical energy into mechanical energy and mechanical energy into electrical energy. Understanding these machines help us learn the basic principle of electromagnetism and know how electrical systems work in real-life application. Introduction. A DC motor is an electrical machine that converts direct current DC electrical energy into mechanical energy to produce motion. A DC generator does the opposite. It converts mechanical energy into DC electrical energy using electromagnetic induction. Both machines have similar parts but they differ in function. A motor creates movement while a generator produces electricity. Main parts of DC machine. Number 1. Yoke. The yoke is the outer frame of the DC machine. It supports the machine parts and provides a path for the magnetic flux. 2. Poles. Poles are attached to the yoke. They produce and spread the magnetic field inside the machine. 3. Field windings. Field windings are coils of wire wrapped around the poles. When current flows through them, they create a magnetic field. 4. The armature is the rotating part of the machine where voltage is induced and current flows. 5. Armature windings. These are coils placed on the armature. They carry current and interact with the magnetic field to produce motion or electricity. 6. Commutator. The commutator is a segmented copper ring connected to the armature windings. It changes AC to DC inside the machine. 7. Brushes. Brushes are carbon contacts that touch the commutator. They transfer current between the rotating armature and the external circuit. 8. Bearings. Bearings support the shaft and allow it to rotate smoothly with less friction. 9. Shaft. The shaft is the rotating rod connected to the armature. It transfers mechanical power.